Hi, this is Skoggit. Hope everybody's doing fine out there. I'm doing pretty good. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a beer review. But before we get to the beer review, I want to give a big shout out to Little Art's Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. Little Art, I've been subscribed to him for over a year, and he's a real small channel, and he makes some excellent barbecue. He's got some great recipes on there. I think one of them is chili and cornbread, and he's just got just really good stuff there. And the thing about Little Art is a year ago he was making videos, then he just kind of disappeared, but he still kept his channel up, and he's back. So this last month he's back. He's made more videos, and they're really great videos, and I really enjoy the channel. And just like I say, he's a real small channel, and I thought I'd give him a little support. I'd like to support the smaller channels, and you guys go check out his channel, and if you like what he's doing, and I'm sure you will, then go ahead and subscribe. I've been a subscriber since he first come out with the channel. Like I say, he makes some excellent videos, and just wanted to put that out there. Okay, now to the beer review. The beer what I'm reviewing today is another Oktoberfest beer, and it's a Samuel Adams Octoberfest. This is the way the bottle looks. It's got an orange color to it for October, and going to find out a little bit about it here. I've never had this one. I've had the Samuel Adams Boston Lager, but I've never had the Oktoberfest. And this is a seasonal beer, so it's not made throughout. It's only made during, I believe, October, during the fall. See, it says Samuel Adams Octoberfest. It says it's seasonal beer. It says hearty and smooth. It's a lager beer, and it's 5.3 alcohol by volume. And we find out where it's made here. It's brewed by the Boston Beer Company, Boston, Massachusetts, Cincinnati, Ohio, and Breinigsville, Pennsylvania. So they have, I guess, 3 different breweries around. And here's something else that says Oktoberfest. It says malt. I'm going to have to remove my glasses for this light and everything. It says malt brings so much to a great beer. That's why we developed a unique malt blend to provide a robust color and smooth, rich flavor like you. We look forward to this tradition every year. And then it has Tom Koch founded and brewed. Sometimes with my glasses, I don't know. It's a certain light. It's hard for me to read the print, so I have to take them off, then I can read pretty good. I don't know if it's got to do with the color of the bottle or what, but my eyes all screwed up anyway. So going to go ahead and crack this open, and we're going to go ahead and review it. I've got my church key here. And we're going to pour it up. See what we got. Okay, this is the way it looks. I see a lot of carbonation in it. It's got a real nice head to it, And the color is really nice. I like the color of it. It's a dark kind of reddish orange color, and I noticed that the head is dissipating, but it's a slowly dissipating. It's not like real fast dissipating. Going to go ahead and got a pleasant smell to it. Let me see if I can. The aroma is really pleasant. It's got a real pleasant aroma to it. It's got kind of a little bit of sweet smell to it, and it's along with I can smell like maybe a toasted malt. And there's another aroma, but I can't put my finger on it. Kind of a weedy smell, I guess. Kind of like a bready smell, I guess. Best way to describe it is very pleasant aroma to it. Go ahead and give it a taste here. It has a very pleasant, smooth taste to it. This is really a smooth beer, and it does have an aftertaste, but the aftertaste is not overpowering. It's a very pleasant aftertaste to it, and I can taste the hops in it. There's a slight hops to it. I can taste like toasted malt. It's got a kind of a toasty malt. Toasty, weedy malt flavor. One more time. This beer is really smooth. It's got a slight burn, but not much burn at all. It's not got much of a burn to it when you're drinking it. It's just so smooth. It's just a really smooth beer. I rate my beers from 5 being the highest to 1 being the lowest, and I would have to give this one a 5. I really like just about everything about it. I like the taste of it. I like the smoothness. The aftertaste is pleasant. The smell is pleasant. I don't have anything bad to say about it. And I'm sure y'all can find this Samuel Adams. I think it's a nationwide type beer. And if you can, and you want a really refreshing Oktoberfest beer, this is one to go with. It is really a good one. And I highly recommend it. This is Skoggit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Y'all continue to stay safe and take care.